Hello everyone, welcome back to History and Horizons. Today, I'm extremely excited to bring you our very first monthly history and space discoveries. At the beginning of every month from now on, we'll explore the most significant recent breakthroughs, both here on Earth and out beyond our skies. In this October 2025 edition, we're starting with a space story that's grabbing headlines, and one I'm sure you are familiar with. The interstellar visitor 3I/Atlas, and then we'll turn our attention to two great recent history/archaeology discoveries. And yes, you'll get to weigh in, because I'll ask you a question or two. So stick around, the motley recap of October 2025 is here, so you can catch up, or discover something new. Let's blast off into space with 3I/Atlas. What is it, and why does it matter? First discovered on July 1, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile, 3I/Atlas is one of only 3 confirmed interstellar objects ever seen passing through our solar system. Its trajectory is hyperbolic, meaning it isn't bound by the sun's gravity like the typical objects in our system. From its origin outside our system, it carries clues about the nature of icy bodies beyond our star system. Here are some of the exciting new findings. 3I/Atlas reached perihelion, closest to the Sun, about October 29th to 30th at roughly 1.36 to 1.4 astronomical units, AU, that's just inside Mars's orbit. It reached the perihelion as of the making of this video. But NASA and space agencies alike still remain dormant about releasing any new photos or videos. I find that to be a bit odd. Do you? Because it passes behind the Sun, solar conjunction. Around then, Earth-based telescopes temporarily lose sight, but spacecraft elsewhere get a view. Rapid brightening and activity. Space-based instruments observed a dramatic increase in brightness as the object approached the Sun. Its unusual composition. Studies show heavy alteration of its outer layers by galactic cosmic rays, creating a crust rich in CO2 derived from CO, estimated to be tens of meters thick. This suggests that interstellar objects might not be pristine. Non-gravitational acceleration, possible propulsion behavior. Most strikingly, recent reports reveal that 3I/Atlas is accelerating in ways that cannot be fully explained by normal outgassing alone. Some scientists, including Avi Loeb, have raised the possibility that these anomalies reflect a form of propulsion or internal mechanism. For example, the object showed a blue shift in color near perihelion, and the tail or jet geometry appears unusual. Some reports suggest a solar-facing jet rather than just sun away, though mainstream science remains cautious. Why this is huge? Because 3I/Atlas comes from beyond our system. It offers a rare laboratory for understanding how other planetary systems form and evolve. But if its surface is highly processed, then what we see may tell us more about the journey through interstellar space than its birthplace. That reshapes how we interpret interstellar visitors. Here's something to ponder. If 3I/Atlas is indeed showing signs of internal acceleration or propulsion, could it be a natural object behaving unusually, or might it hint at something far more exotic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you lean natural comet explanation or something else? Let's get a discussion going. Now, shifting from the cosmic to the terrestrial, let's travel to ancient Egypt and one of the most monumental complexes in history, the Karnak Temple near Luxor. The new discovery, a recent geo-archaeological study published in October 2025, has revealed how the shifting channels of the Nile and changes in land elevation played a critical role in where the temple complex was built. Sediment cores and ceramic fragments show that the site originally lay in a flood-prone zone. Only after river channels shifted and the land stabilized did the high ground emerge, enabling large-scale construction. Why this discovery matters: it highlights how environment and culture interconnect. The temple site wasn't simply chosen for convenience, but likely because it resonated with the mythic idea of the primordial mound rising from the waters, ancient Egyptian cosmology. It gives us a deeper lens into how ancient architects understood and manipulated landscape, not just architecture in isolation. For historians and archaeologists, it underscores the importance of geomorphology, study of land shapes, in interpreting ancient religious sites. Here's a thought. If you discovered a temple built now on what was once semi-submerged floodplain land, would the sense of sacredness feel different than if it were on simple dry ground? Our final story of the month takes us to western Anatolia in modern-day Turkey. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of a previously unknown Ice Age land bridge corridor along the Aegean coast, a route early humans may have used to migrate into Europe during low sea level periods. A network of 10 plus Paleolithic sites in the region yielded 138 stone tools, hand axes, Levallois-style flakes, dating to times when sea levels were tens of meters lower than today. This corridor would have connected Anatolia to European landmass directly, offering an alternative pathway to the traditional Levant-Balkans route. The submergence of this corridor by rising sea levels means it has remained hidden until now, which means our models of early human migration may need revision. Human migration shapes genetic, linguistic and cultural histories. Discovering a new route opens fresh questions. Who exactly used it? When exactly in time? And what interactions occurred along it? It emphasizes how sea level change and geography strongly influence human history, not just climate, but geography and access matter. And that brings us to the end of our October 2025 edition of the monthly History and Space Discoveries here on History and Horizons. The first edition was quick and rapid fire. Let me know if you like long-form videos more or short-to-the-point videos to get the most information efficiently. If you did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss upcoming editions each month. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep looking up, keep digging deep, and stay curious. See you soon.